that's Air Canada. This is the Boeing 737 MAX-8. Just landed here from either Montreal or Toronto here at Dulles, Washington International Airport. Now you get to see this mobile transporter again. Look at that. It's everywhere, right? Alright, so the Air Canada Boeing 737 MAX-8 here at Dulles, Washington International Airport. It's heading either to Toronto or Montreal.
Attention all passengers in Zone 1 are welcome to board now. All passengers in Zone 1. You're using all lines. You're using all lines.
Alright, everybody. Hope y'all have a wonderful afternoon now from Dulles, Washington International Airport.